From Lanuki, Kenya, this is the Me and Larry reality video show. Once again, the story, the reality video series, the new one, of Birds of a Feather. And here it is, Kibaki, the beaten bird. He used to have some hens, but now he's by himself, all by himself. Well, he can stand on one leg. He's talented. Stand on one leg, Kibaki. Come on, Kibaki. Stand on one leg. Come on, Kibaki. Stand on one leg. Come on. Stand on one leg. Stand on one leg. Come on, Kibaki. You beaten bird. You can tell the top of his beak is beaten. Right there, he's a beaten bird because the other bird did a number on Kibaki. Well, that's happening. We're gonna go straight down here. We gotta hurry up because what's his name is doing his thing. Raila. Let's see. If Raila doing his thing, he's back at the house, right? Yeah, look at Raila. As we take a quick walk. All right. As we take that quick walk, here's look at this. It's the ladies. Look at that. The ladies are okay. And of course, as we go around to the other side, right quick. Yeah, I know you talking. You better talk, boy. There's Raila. Raila got the girls with him. Look at all the girls that's with him. Yeah. He's saying, he's like this guy named Val Venus. He's hello, ladies. See. Well, Raila is a proud bird. You know, he's more than Continental Airlines back in the days when they did their motto, proud bird with a golden tail. He's a proud bird with black and white tail. There we go. That's it with the reality video series, Birds of a Feather. And look at the girls going inside. You know it's time for Mr. Raila to get down. At the right, Raila. You player. That's it. As we are sounding off, Birds of a Feather.